Hello dear students, this is your guide and mentor Mrs. Memuna Bombewala. As I told you कि हम ट्यूबलाइट के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. ट्यूबलाइट, फार्मेसी में ट्यूबलाइट, यस हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं what is called as metastable peak. और yes, we are also going to talk about the problems of how we can calculate at which position we are going to get a metastable peak. So let us discuss what is metastable peak first and why am I calling it as a tube light. हम सब ट्यूबलाइट किसको बुलाते हैं? हम उस दोस्त को ट्यूबलाइट बुलाते हैं जिसको जल्दी जोक समझ में नहीं आता, उसको बाद में समझ में आता है. नो, आपने अभी उसको जोक बोला, अभी उसको कुछ समझ में 5 मिनट के बाद ही स्टार्ट लाफिंग बिकॉज उसका एक्साइटेशन इमीडिएट नहीं हुआ. Same, this is the concept for metastable peak. Now see what is happening is in a mass spectrophotometer, what is happening is that we are keeping this molecule here and we are bombarding it with fast moving electrons. तो क्या होना चाहिए था कि there should be formation of, because of bombardment of electrons on the molecule, there should be formation of the molecular ions and the daughter ions here. When this should happen? When I am bombarding it with the high beam of electrons or high energetic electrons. लेकिन what happens is there are few fragments or the molecular ion itself, what happens is it does not get further fragmented. Instead what happens is as it comes out of the ion source and before it reaches to the detector, मतलब जहाँ उसको एक्साइट होना चाहिए था या जहाँ उसको फ्रैगमेंट होना चाहिए था उस जगह को छोड़कर इट गेट्स एक्साइटेड लेट एंड हेंस वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज अ ट्यूबलाइट. ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस नाउ इज, नाउ आफ्टर इट इज लीविंग द आयन सोर्स, here fragmentation occurs and such a fragment we call it as n star, and this fragment that is formed which is a tube light is called as a metastable fragment. ठीक है. Now my dear students, there are problems asked on this particular metastable peak. They'll give you a structure and they will ask where you are going to see a metastable peak for this particular molecule or for this particular reaction. समझिए इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करें. पहले कंसेप्ट समझ लीजिए. देखिए अगर ये यहीं पर ब्रेक डाउन होता तो यू नो आई वुड हैव गॉट अ पर्टिकुलर molecular ion or a daughter ion fragment on my detector. But what happens is, since it is a tube light, it is getting excited late. It has somewhere less kinetic energy as compared to the actual daughter cells that are present, actual daughter fragments that are produced in the mass spectrum. ठीक है. बिकॉज इसकी मास, उसकी एनर्जी कम, देर इज वी हैव डिवाइज्ड एन इक्वेशन. एंड व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन? आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू हाउ टू गो टू द इक्वेशन, आई एम टेलिंग यू डायरेक्टली द इक्वेशन दैट विल मेक इट इवन सिंपलर. समझ में ये आना चाहिए कि भाई जहाँ पर हमारा फ्रैगमेंट डॉटर आयन का बन रहा था वहाँ पर नहीं, इंस्टेड कोई और जगह पे हमको द पीक ऑफ मेटास्टेबल वी विल गेट. एंड हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट? सी, the metastable ion peak, this is suppose the metastable ion peak for this daughter fragment, I will always get it at the daughter fragment, whatever is the daughter fragment square upon the molecular ion fragment. Capital M I am showing by for molecular ion, small m1 I am showing for the daughter fragment, and m1 star I am showing for the metastable fragment. Now let us see in the form of a problem so that if such a problem comes to you, you are very easily able to solve this problem. See, now for example, I have a problem in front of me. The problem says that we have a para amino anisole. Suppose I have a problem like this, wherein this is the molecule para amino anisole and this is the molecular ion fragment of para amino anisole. This on loss of methyl, this fragmentation has occurred and I have got this fragment of para amino anisole and I want to know that this is the daughter ion fragment. Okay, now I would want to know where I will get the metastable ion for this particular daughter ion, I want to know this. ठीक है, तो how do I do and how do I calculate? ठीक है, क्वेश्चन अगर मुझे पूछा गया है कि व्हाट इज वेयर इज द पोजिशन ऑफ द मेटास्टेबल आयन, आई वुड वांट टू नो. What I would do is I would calculate the mass number from this particular structure. ठीक है, first I do calculation with the mass number, that nitrogen is 14, oxygen is 16, total number of carbons are 6, total number of hydrogens are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 hydrogens. What I have done, I have just added the molecular masses of all the elements that are present. For nitrogen I took a 14, for oxygen I took 16, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons I should take 6 multiplied by 12, and then I should add hydrogens 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 hydrogens, so I am adding 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6. So what is that? Our total answer that I get is 14 plus 16 plus 6 2s are 12, 6 1 is 6, 72 plus 6. What is the answer? 10, 26, 30, 102, 108 is the answer that I get. This is the mass of this particular fragment that is formed. My dear students, this is where the daughter ion will come. But if for this daughter ion I want to calculate the metastable ion, then what I do is I do this, I put it in this formula. Okay? For this formula I will need the molecular ion fragment also. So let me calculate it for this also. Again 14 for nitrogen, 16 for oxygen. Correct? Total number of carbons are 6 plus 1, 7. So 6 multiplied by 6, 7 multiplied by 12, because 7 are the number of carbons and 12 is the molar mass. Then how many hydrogens? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The total number of hydrogens are 9. So it is again 30 plus 7 2s are 14, 7 1 is 7, 84 plus 9, 80, 90, 100, 110, 119, 123 is the answer for the molecular ion peak. You know, आप स्टूडेंट्स को इस बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि कभी कभी क्या करता है, क्वेश्चन मेटास्टेबल आयन के बारे में बोलता एंड दे आस्क यू टू कैलकुलेट द मॉलिक्यूलर आयन फ्रैगमेंट, तो यू जस्ट हैव टू गिव द आंसर फॉर दिस, दैट इज 123. But suppose the question is asked on the metastable fragment, then what are you going to do? You are going to do this m1 square upon capital M. So this is nothing but 108 multiplied by 108 upon 123. So the answer that you will get is 94.8. This is how we can find out the metastable ion peak. अब मान लेते हैं इसका एक और हायर वर्जन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम हम समझते हैं. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये वाला जो फ्रैगमेंट है, दिस डॉटर आयन फ्रैगमेंट is now, say for example, it is further breaking down into another fragment. We know that in the mass molecular ion fragment is formed and then various daughter ion fragments are formed. So supposedly from this particular daughter ion fragment we get another fragment as C6H5, मतलब this benzene ring, N fragment, बाकी का H2 and oxygen is lost in this particular fragment. This is the fragment that is left, and they want me to calculate the metastable peak for this M2. पहले उन्होंने M1 के लिए पूछा, तो M1 is the daughter peak. I am not talking about daughter peak. I will get at 108, whereas the M1 star I will get at 94.8. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले we solved it. Now suppose I want to solve it for this M2. So now I will again have to calculate the molecular weight for this this particular ion. It will be 6 multiplied by 12 plus 5 plus nitrogen is 14. So it is 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 1 is 6, 72 plus 19, that is 70, 89, and 70, 89, 90, 91 is the answer. This is for the daughter ion fragment. Okay. The question is asking about the metastable ion fragment. So if I say about the metastable ion fragment, it will be 91 multiplied by 91 upon 108. And here, if I do the calculations, I will get answer as 59.2. I hope by seeing the calculations, by seeing this video, you are able to solve all the problems of metastable ion fragment. Keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe this channel, BCC Live GPAT 9.